How to fix Hogwarts Legacy stuttering. Here's what you have to do. Open up Epic Games on your computer, and once you have Epic Games open, we will just go to the library and you want to find Hogwarts Legacy. Click on the three dots, then select Manage. Now from here we want to find Installation and click on the folder here, Open Install Location. From here you want to right click on Hogwarts Legacy, show more options, click on Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and you want to check these three options: Compatibility Mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an admin. Click on Apply, click on OK. Now the second thing that we have to do is to click on the bar here where it's located, right click, copy this address. Now we can close this folder and this as well, and you will open up your computer search and just search for graphics settings like so. Click on graphics settings. Now select add desktop app, and from here you will just paste the URL or the address which we copied and press enter. It's going to take you to this folder. You just want to select Hogwarts Legacy and add. Once you have it added, you will find it from this list. Click on it to expand it. GPU preference, you want to set this to high performance, and this should fix stuttering. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.